name is Kanyelu Abolola and this is OIS News. Thursday, 26th September 2024 marks a significant milestone in the academic journey of our Year 12 students as they commence their Cambridge IGCSE examinations. This momentous occasion represents the culmination of months of diligent effort, unwavering commitment, and unrelenting passion. May their dedication to academic excellence, resilience in their face of challenges, and perseverance through adversity be rewarded with resounding success. As part of developing potential, Year 7A students enlightened the whole school on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle, while Year 7D students' presentation focused on kindness, empathy, and respect are the foundations of a better world. Kindness is showing care and compassion even in small ways. Empathy is understanding how someone else feels, putting yourself in their shoes. Respect is valuing others, no matter who they are or where they come from. When we practice these qualities, we create a community where everyone feels valued and supported. Let's make kindness, empathy, and respect part of everything we do, because together we can make a positive difference. On the momentous occasion of Nigeria's 64th Independence Day, Olashoreinternational International School joined the rest of the nation in commemorating this significant milestone. The school community came together for a special assembly filled with the patriotic fervor and exciting activities. This was followed by a fashion parade where students showcased their dress sense and fashionable wares. Following the assembly, students proceeded to the school stadium for the Independence Day march past. The competition, which involved 4 teams merged into 2, was an electrifying display of teamwork and coordination. The captivating event left staff and students in awe, with the winning team receiving a trophy amidst cheers and applause. As Nigeria continues on its path towards progress and development, occasions like this remind us of the significance of unity and collective efforts. Olashoreinternational International School remains committed to instilling these values in its students, shaping them into responsible, informed, and engaged citizens. Long live Nigeria. Olashoreinternational International School marked Nigeria's Independence Day with a novelty football match between staff and students. The highly anticipated encounter was filled with excitement, teamwork, and determination. Both teams displayed impressive skills, culminating in a nail-biting 1-1 draw. The match fostered unity, friendship, and national pride among students and staff. Spectators cheered, urging their favorite team on. The event's success was evident in their smiles, laughter, and words of encouragement shared. This celebration was reinforced in the importance of unity and collective collaboration, instilling pride and national spirit in Olashoreinternational community. On October 1st, Olashoreinternational International School students enthusiastically participated in the global observance of World Balloon Day. This joyful event brought together students, staff, and teachers in a shared moment of delight. Smiles and laughter filled the faces of everyone present as they watched the balloon soar. Through this uplifting moment, students learned the value of shared experiences and the power of simple gestures to bring people together. The World Balloon Day celebration at Olashoreinternational International School served as a heartwarming reminder that even the smallest acts can spread joy and create long-lasting memories. On October 5th, our Olashoreinternational International School family came together to shower love and appreciation on our selfless teachers. The Teachers' Day Assembly was a heartfelt tribute to these exceptional individuals who shaped young minds and hearts. With beautiful poem recitations and soulful songs, our students expressed their deepest gratitude for the guidance, support, and love their teachers provide. The atmosphere was filled with warmth and affection. The Parent-Teacher Association thoughtful gift presentation was the icing on the cake. Tears of joy sparkled in our teachers' eyes as they felt seen, heard, and valued. To our amazing parents, thank you for your kindness and partnership. Your generosity inspires us to continue nurturing the next generation. To our beloved teachers, we celebrate you, your love, your care, and your tireless efforts. You are the true heroes of Olashoreinternational International School. This is to inform prospective parents and guardians that the online entrance examination for the 2024-2025 academic session is still in progress. To learn more about the entrance examination and book your session, please contact the admissions office to 09131593474 or send an email to info@olashoreinternationalschoo8652 for more information. This is a reminder that COVID-19 is still very much around us. Protect yourself by keeping your social distance, wearing a face mask in public places, wash your hands with soap and water regularly, and practice a good hygiene. Keep exercising daily and eat a well-balanced diet. Thank you for watching and have a great day.